What up, YouTube? It's Slow Pitch here with another box break. I'm going to bust the new Upper Deck 1314 SP game used right there. So before we get into that, I got a couple bonus packs from my LCS and also picked up some loose packs of Upper Deck series. One from 2012-13 and 13-14. So without further ado, let's get into the bonus packs, and I'll keep you guys waiting just a wee bit longer for the SP game used, because I'm sure everybody's interested in that more than anything. So in this bonus pack, we got from the Boxing Day packs from Panini, we got Andrew Ladd and Craig Anderson, absolute goalies. And then from Upper Deck's Overtime bonus packs, we got here. We got Corey Conacher, Jared Tenorti, Justin Schultz, and rookie profiles, Jordan Schroeder, and another bonus pack. What we got here? We've got Alex Chason, we've got Mark Pysyk, Drew Shore, and Thomas Hickey, rookie profiles. So those are the bonus packs. Let's get into the regular Series 1. This is 12-13. Young Guns Torrey Krug. Not bad for the Boston Bruins. That's pretty good. Looks like Molino, just regular base. Okay. So the Krug's pretty good. Not bad for a Young Gun. Alright. Alex Pietrangelo, John Carlson, Ehrhoff. We got a canvas of Jonathan Quick, one of the USA Olympic goalies. And just more base. What we got here? Base, Molson, who's longer with the Islanders. Talbot. We got an Andre Pavlicek MVP insert. And base. Okay. So it's 12-13. Now we're going to 13-14. Jonathan Toews. Dan Boyle. Oh, we got jersey. Oh, nice. Hey, look who it is. It's Marty Brodeur. Jersey. Again. Brodeur. It's funny. I don't know. Marty Brodeur's haunting me. But I guess that's a good haunt. Alright, who we got? Reimer, Couturier, Tavares. Can't break any hockey without a Tavares sighting. Hey, Denny. Young Guns, Boone Jenner. Cool. Got me a Young Gun. What do we got here? Base, and more base. So, last pack. Oh, another Young Gun, Victor Fath for the Ducks. Not bad. 2 Young Guns out of 3 packs. And a Brodeur jersey. Cool. Alrighty, now on to the big bad boy of SP game used. Alright. How many packs? Here, 5 packs per box. Dun dun dun. Any thick ones? Oh, maybe. Alright. Box is empty. Okie dokie. One of these looks hard to say. We'll soon find out though, shall we? There we go. No tick. Just a decoy. Alright. Quick. Stewart. Authentic Fabrics jersey of Paul Stastny. And a stupid decoy. Bye-bye. No thick ones there. Oh, come on. Good JT on the back. Cody Hodgson. Nicholas Backstrom. Authentic. Another Islander. What do you know? Brock Nelson. Authentic rookie auto. Not numbered. So I guess this is one of those base rookies. Brent Hall, Picarini, and JT, John Tavares. we got here? Alright. Hey, Mario Lemieux. We've got Skamar Gabrick. Oh, boom! Now that's a great hit. Alex Galchenyuk inked rookie sweaters to 99. Bump. Alright. That's pretty good. That's a pretty decent hit right there. Alright. Okay, we got Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. We've got Miku Koivu. We've got Decoy, Corey Crawford, Dion Phaneuf. And dual authentic fabrics, Kari Lehtonen and Jamie Benn for the Dallas Stars. And last pack, we got a big jumbo patch. Oh, come on. No jumbo patch. Alright. We've got Jamie Benn again, Jaro Halak, Joe Pavelski, Jonas Hiller, and Ricky Fabrics, Tyler Toffoli. So, that's the base. So we'll just recap the SP game used real quick. So we got Rookie Fabrics, Tyler Toffoli. The Kings, we've got dual jerseys of Kari Lehtonen and Jamie Benn for the Dallas Stars. I guess this is considered to be the big hit of the box. Inked rookie sweaters of Alex Galchenyuk, 20 of 99 for the Habs. And then we got Brock Nelson, rookie for the Islanders auto, and a base jersey of Paul Stastny for the Avs. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all later. Appreciate it. And of course, Marty Brodeur makes an appearance as well with the jersey. Alright guys, thanks for watching, man. We'll see you later. Peace.